Naingani di ay.
PPTS.
Oo, ito na record di ay. Eh, balik na lang.
Yung daw demo. Ilan daw demo. Sa nini nga demo gali.
Home nursing.
Home nursing.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
Bigyan uli na ko.
19, 20,
Wala sa mauman.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 4. And the left. And the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 5.
Bay, gahilo na siya kukuha na Erlan.
And the left. Check circulation and session will hold in the closet. The victim is now breathing and has a sense of life. Pagdali. Do the recovery position, but before doing the recovery position, let's say first is let one has the victim right forward, then do the sideline position. Wala ulo, namutol. Then back of the victim stimulate blood circulation.
Mana?
Minora, with clear water only, one down only. That's the
Lukod mo na.
Good, bilat eh.
Ito daw kung isa ka dami imo nga. Aminolya, galing sapaw ka diyan ni Ala.
Then first assess
Bitbating, buriging ulit sa squad. Ano yung makakaabot? Wash your hand.
Wash your hand.
Gather all the materials needed. Di ba mag-wig keep? Kung sabi mo nga di ay? You do the one in keep. Kung say wig keep, wash your hand. After washing the hands, gather all the materials needed. Did you gather all the materials? Then, tanawan ako, nagkumpleto ba na? Naitawin para sa inyong brother. Nara ang towel. Ako pa'y mangita.
clear water. Meat.
Uy. Kung saan na ni Aminolya? Dead body?
Dili, kanang perineal care.
Perineal care?
Wipe once to the anal area.
To the anal area. Asa magsugod? Upward, downward.
Downward.
Upward, downward. Asa magsugod?
Are you sure?
Panawitan kay tayo na imo ang pasyente. Asa
Nakamapit
magsugod?
ako una, sir.
Pumutana ganito ka, asa magsugod?
Yari sa anal area.
Are you sure?
Anal area. Kung anal area, di ba?
Oo.
Tapos, asa going upward o going downward? Ngano ba?
Upward.
Upward ba ka? Para mas scattered na iyang kuan? Mga weight, bowel?
Dili, kay para makuha pa man kung naamang gani makuha kay
O, di magsugod ka sa upward, downward.
Pabos Mars, oy.
Ana,
So,
ano
pang.
dito?
Sige, at.
Tanawa na, ang sama na. How many sides in your towel? Sila ka sides ganito. Pagbalas ka sides?
One block.
Only one, pataka lang mo.
One naman di.
Hoy, 1, 2, then 3. Ang siding anak. Kung yung trapo anak. Back to back, then side. O, una lagi sa taas. 1,
1,
2, then side.
3.
Oh,
Like a bag.
then gasan. O, tara, oh, cotton buds, akong G. Andam.
Layo naman tayo. Jai, please, sir.
Ay. Ano then,
Oh, tanawa na imong bata. Imo lang gi-unlock ng side rails. Tanawa o may tabo.
Dry na siya, sir.
Oh, pat dry. Di unsa na nimo pag pat dry.
Nakuhan.
Oh, asa may imong trapo diha ron?
Kuhan gani ka ng... Wala na ba ka ng...
Oh,
Kuhan siya,
sorry.
sir, ba ka ng...
Gusto kayo mo may gather all the materials needed? And did you gather all the materials?
Wala, sige, wala mo na.
Oh, ay sa ko na palibot. Ug nabay tawid o wala, clear water. Ano mo naman naging ng bata? Did you introduce yourself? Did you knock the door?
Dali lang,
Did
sir.
you
Wala
explain the
lang
procedure?
tawid.
Masyak, makulatahan kang amahan.
Sir, wala lang tawid.
Take it out. Wala na, wala. Asa may si amahan? Sige, go.
Yo.